Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Only two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the former. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Coincidence is God's way of remaining anonymous. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. It's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. It is the supreme art of the teacher to awaken joy and creative expression in knowledge. The only reason for time is so that everything doesn't happen at once. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. Nationalism is an infantile disease. It is the measles of mankind.